So today I'm going to be doing a practice video on golden slippers for the purpose of one of my students that's learning this tune, just to kind of back up a video. So golden slippers is a pretty popular jam tune, and I'm going to play it in the key of D. I know that sometimes it can also be played in the key of C. So I will go ahead and play this through. It is in 4/4 time, and it is a tune that has the part A and the part B, and you play those both twice, as we do with most fiddle tunes. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and play this through, and I'm going to just play the simple melody, and then I'm going to do some droning with it so you can kind of hear a little bit of variation, and then we'll break it down. It does start here on the D, and we're going to be working kind of in this box here from this marker D to this marker G for the A part. And then on the B part, you are going to be coming over to the bass bridge, one above the mark, which is going to be the A. You're going to go down to the F sharp, and then you're going to be using that B, and you're going to go down to the G, so using your thirds, and then you will come back over here. But the whole tune is really played just from here to here. Okay? So now I'm going to play it again a little bit faster and just some extra droning in there. So that just gives a little variation, and it can also be changed to another octave. You can do a harmony with it, so we'll work on the variations. Okay, so on the A part, again, it starts here on the D, and you're just going to be using basically from here, the D to the G. now you can see I'm using alternate hands on that to start, doing the simple melody. Try to do your right, left. And then once we get into the droning, you'll be playing more of the melody with your right hand so you can get some extra droning in there. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and play that through again. Now the second half of the A part, same hand pattern, so please, as you're doing this, observe your hand patterns, and we're used to moving just kind of up and down. So here we started on the D, and we went up 3, and we went up to there. Now what we're going to do is we're going to start here on the C sharp, and we're going to do the same. So it's the same hand pattern. Put those parts together. Down to the C sharp. Down the scale. So again, the second part of that A part, it just comes down. You're going to play the beginning we did. Okay, you're just going to do same hand pattern, just different notes. So we'll play that through again, starting at the beginning. Down to C sharp. G, down the scale. So that is the whole A part, and then you would repeat it again. Okay, so now we're going to go over to the B part, and the B part, you come over to the bass bridge, which is one above the mark. This is your G, this is your A, and we're going to play a third. We're going to go down to, let me make sure that camera can see that. Okay, so we're going to go from the A down to the F sharp. Ba, 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 ba. And then we're going to come over here to the treble bridge, and that's your F sharp here. So you're going to use the F sharp to the C sharp. Those 4. Da, 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 da. Okay. I'll just play that first. Over to the F sharp, down. Okay, we'll do that again. Okay, now you're going to take your hand pattern. It's going to be the same, but you're just going to move up a notch. You're going to move up a string. We started here, one above the mark. Here we're going to start what we call one below the mark. So it's going to be here, again, your hand pattern is the same, it's just you're moving up one string. So here you started on the A. For the second part, you're going to start on the B, and you're going to do the B to the G, to the G. So again, as you're going through this, look at your hand patterns as you're doing it, and it will be easier. Okay, so I'll play that part. And then we end up with a tail. I'm going to put those two together. Now you come down to the C sharp. Now start again. B, G, G, and then we go up here to the G. Okay, I'll play that through again. Okay, I'm going to put those two parts, the A part and the B part, together slowly. 1, 2, 3, play. Repeat. Now to the B part, over to the bass. B, G, back to the G. B part again. B, and Okay, so that is Golden Slippers.